What is the mass in grams of 18 liters of propane vapor at STP? Okay, so in this problem, the first thing we're going to do is to use the ideal gas equation. So PV equals nRT. What we're going to do is we're going to solve for N, or the moles of the gas. So what do we do is, first, we divide both sides of the equation by RT, so that RT cancels on the right side. So our equation for N is PV over RT. And then we substitute the values. So P stands for pressure, and according to the problem, the condition is at STP. So if you can recall, STP means standard temperature and pressure. The standard temperature is 273.15 Kelvin, and the standard pressure is 1 atm. So we will use these values in our ideal gas equation. So again, the standard pressure is 1 atm. V stands for volume, and in the problem, the given volume is 18 liters divided by the value of R. You should have memorized this by now. So it's 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. And T is temperature. Again, it's at STP, so the standard temperature is 273.15 Kelvin. Now, if you solve this in your calculator, so we have 1 times 18 divided by 0.0821 times 273.15, you will get approximately 0.803 moles. So that's the moles of the propane, or C₃H₈. Now the question is asking for grams of propane. So how do we solve for the grams, or the mass of propane? Remember that mass is equal to the moles times molar mass. Okay, we already got the moles. So we got 0.803 moles. Now we need the molar mass of propane. So I want you to look at your periodic table. So you'll see there that the molar mass of carbon is 12.01 grams per mole. And in C₃H₈, there are 3 carbons, so times 3. So 12.01 times 3, that's 36.03 grams per mole. The molar mass of hydrogen is 1.008 grams per mole. And there are 8 hydrogens in C₃H₈. So multiply that by 8. So you will get 8.064 grams per mole. And then you add the 2, you will get 44.094 grams per mole, and that's the molar mass of propane. So we plug that into our equation. So we have 0.803 times 44.094. So the mass of propane, you will get approximately 35.41 grams. So the answer to this question is 35.41 grams.